So word on the street is that you can't go camping in a Jimny because it's too small or whatever the story is. So I just wanted to let you know, FYI, that we fitted all our camping stuff in the car, our bicycles are on the back, and we're perfectly comfortable. So, haha, yes you can. We're on our way to Mountain Splendour. We've just been through Winterton. We're going camping, so the Jimny is fully packed, as you can see. It's a bit of a cloudy day, but we hope that our camping experience will be awesome, as it usually is. But we will keep you posted. See you later. Okay, so we've just arrived, so we're going to unpack the car and set up our tent and gazebo and everything, so we'll let you know how that goes. It's going to be slightly time consuming, but it will be fun. So the tent is up, the gazebo is up. Busy just sorting out the last things, but in the meantime, Rolo time. So good, so good. Okay, so everything is now set up, more or less. You can see bicycles are over here. There's a bra behind me, and now we can go into the tent and see what's happening. So this is the general snack area and preparing area and relaxation area. And then cooler box already plugged into electricity, which is awesome. Keeping all my beverages nice and cold. And here we have the tent. Put your head, let's just duck in here. And, oh, sorry. Stretchers, voila. And clothes and bags. Yay! See, so spacious. Look, spacious, spacious, spacious.
Good morning, everybody. It's just after 6 in the morning. It's freezing cold, and I've got up to try and take a photograph of the sun coming up. Amy is still sleeping, and I managed to get up without disturbing her too much. And it's really cloudy, and I don't really know if we're going to get a great sunrise photo, but we're going to have a little walk around and see. We've got about 10 minutes, I think, before the sun pops up, so let's see what we can find.
What do we have here? Is this bacon I see? Are you going to make it nice and crispy? Okay, so today we're going to be making toasted sandwich on the bra. So what you're going to need is bread, cheese, tomato, onion, and butter, which it's kind of a bit rock solid since it's very cold. Okay, so you're going to take your bread. It's basically making a sandwich. We're going to take our butter, so cheese. I do like cheese. What we're going to do is we're going to just wing it. Tomato. Excellent. Salt and pepper. Close. And voila! Now all you do is braai some meat, braai your sandwiches, and dinner is served. Yes! The ears are so soft.